Hello and welcome to How to Grow Parsnips from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available from most garden stores. On the rear of the packet gives the planting times and the seasons for your region. The second step is to germinate the seeds before you plant them in the ground. Take a small plastic tub and place a piece of kitchen roll in the bottom. Now add just enough water to dampen the kitchen roll. Take the seeds from the packet. Use about twice as many as you require, as some of them may not germinate. Now place the seeds on top of the damp kitchen roll. Over time they'll absorb moisture and will start to germinate. Now cover the plastic box with cling film to prevent the moisture from evaporating. Now leave in a warm place about 20 degrees C and periodically check and top up the water if you need to. Between 4 and 7 days the seeds will begin to germinate. You'll see a small root appear at the base of the seeds. At this point it's time to plant them outside. Firstly, dig the soil to a depth of at least 1 foot, as the parsnips have quite long roots. Remove any weeds and large stones. Step 5. Rake the soil into a fine tilth. Step 6. Mark out the row using a piece of string tied between 2 sticks. Each row should be 18 inches away from the previous row. Step 7. Use your rake to make a narrow trench about ½ inch deep. Step 8. Plant the seeds at 8-inch intervals. First add a small amount of compost. This protects the delicate root when you're planting it. It's important not to damage this root, else your parsnips won't grow properly. Plant the next seed 8 inches away from the previous one. I'm using a stick here to help me measure. Step 9. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Step 10. Water the seeds. In the following weeks, it's important to keep watering until the first leaves appear. Step 11. Mark the end of the row. It's easy to forget what you've planted when you're planting a lot of things. Step 12. After a couple of weeks, the plants will begin to appear. It's important to keep watering up until this stage. Step 13. Keep the ground moist and weed free. After about 5 months, you can begin digging up the parsnips to eat them. Leave the remaining plants in the ground as frost improves their flavour. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative, and please like it if you have. Also, please visit my other gardening videos on the Learn How To channel. Goodbye.